Hello and welcome guys to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm going to do a new episode for the affiliate program review series I'm doing on this channel. And today I am checking the best spinner and ArticleBuilder affiliate programs, because these two affiliate programs are created and run by the same vendor or the same creator, and I will mash them into a single episode. So if you are curious about the best spinner affiliate program or the ArticleBuilder affiliate program, you can check this video. So what are these exactly? The best spinner is a content rewriter, content spinner service, which will allow you to spin content and articles or text and make it unique, because it will replace stuff from the words from the text and replace them with synonyms or with other expressions that mean the same, and thus leaving the whole meaning of the text in place, but the article will become unique. So you can promote this service and you will get a really cool percentage. They will provide 50% recurring commission for each sale you generate. And also the other program that I will show in this video is ArticleBuilder. So this is using the best spinner. So this is a service that will provide you a fully written article. You just type in some keywords and they will provide a fully written article based on a seed document which was spun using the best spinner. So they are brothers. So the ArticleBuilder uses the best spinner and it generates unique content for you just by typing in some keywords. So they both are really cool, so you can check them out. And if you have some audience that are keen to purchase one of these or both of these services, you can go ahead and promote them and you will earn 50% in commission. So let me show you how to sign up and how to start earning from these affiliate programs. Before this, I want to show you a plugin I created. It is called Content-O-Matic, and it uses the ArticleBuilder API to generate unique articles for your WordPress website. So I will link in this video's description the plugin also, and both the best spinner and ArticleBuilder, and everything that I mentioned here will be linked in this video's description, so go ahead and check it when you are ready. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check where are these affiliate programs able to be promoted. They are on Pay Kickstart. This is paykickstart.com, so you should register on paykickstart.com and start earning from affiliate commissions on these two programs. To join the programs, you should click on Marketplace, and here you should search ArticleBuilder, for example. And here it is, ArticleBuilder. You will have a green button here and you should click that. So if we check, for example, the best spinner, we should scroll down and here it is. So this is it. It is created by Prosperative LLC, and this should be green if you are not joined into that campaign. So now let's just join a campaign, for example. So we hit the green button and click the send affiliate request to vendor, and it appears that request pending approval, and they will approve you and you will be able to promote the affiliate marketing links for them. For this, click on affiliate links, and here you will be able to get the affiliate links for which you are joined. So click on the program and simply copy the link that it creates for you, and you will get the, as you can see, there are two in this. So copy the affiliate link and you will be able to promote their content and get 50% commission from them. Also, they are very reliable in payouts, because as you could see already on my dashboard, I have some payouts so far, and they made each payout regularly, so they did not lag in any way in the payouts, and I am very satisfied by their promptitude. So also there were some refunds, but in general the sold count was far greater than the refunded count. Okay, so we can check also commissions. So here they are. These are the commissions that were generated so far. And yeah, so one thing to keep in mind is if you search for the best spinner affiliate program on Google, you will be prompted by this, but this is not valid anymore, because they changed their affiliate program but forgot about this page, which promotes still the old affiliate program that they had, which was on pay.com, and they moved away from pay.com and they are using Pay Kickstart now. So this is the affiliate this is how you should join the affiliate program from the best spinner or for ArticleBuilder. So don't go ahead and don't fill up this form, because it will be of no use, because this signs you up on pay.com and they no longer use pay.com to make affiliate payments, but sign up to Pay Kickstart, and here you will be able to also start promoting them as I already shown you. So yeah, and this is their sales pages. You can link using your affiliate links to these pages, and if you refer new customers, you will earn recurring affiliate commissions. Recurring mean that you will be paid each time the customer pays, because these programs will have a monthly or yearly subscription, and each time the customer pays or renews their service, you will get 50%, which is really great. Okay, so yeah, also don't forget about Content-O-Matic. You will be able to use ArticleBuilder service to import to your WordPress blog the articles that this service generates. And yeah, so this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this affiliate program review, and don't forget I could create a new video each day and upload it to YouTube at 8 p.m. GMT. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification if you want to get notified each time I upload a new video here. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my content, and until next time, have a great day. Over and out. Bye bye.